All right, guys, well, welcome back. Limited football random team number 16 is now. Jamie, you know what's interesting about Hey, Jamie, you know what's interesting about Jamie? No, Ricky Williams. If you want him to do a like a phone call or like wish somebody happy birthday or whatever, like he's on that. I saw him on Facebook a few months ago, and he was advertising himself. He was in some, I don't know, man, where he was, but in the background where he was, it looked like it was somewhere very tropical, kind of, like wonder what's growing back there. Anyways, yeah, he's around, man. He was at one of the Panini VIP parties, I think. Russ, do you remember him? He was at one of them a few years ago. I remember seeing him. I don't think I got a picture with him. I missed him. I think it was in Chicago. I swear, I think it was at the Soldier Field event where you couldn't find anybody. Like, Ryan Sandberg was there. I would have loved to sound like, hey, Ryan Sandstone, would you autograph my nipple? But no, yeah. All right, so 3 plus a 4. 3 plus a 4. 7 times. Guys, again, we're on this one right here. This is limited random team number 16. All right, so there he is. 7 clicks. 5, 6, and 7. All right, Saints to the Colts. Oh, Russ, I thought for sure we had a Ricky Williams 8x10. I swear we did. There we go. All right, Saints to the Colts. Saints to Colts. Boom. All right. And here we go. Mark to Lee. Guys, good luck. Let's see. Let's roll the dice. Roll that die. 3 and a 1. Yep, you could have him. Yep, absolutely you could. He'd be happy to do it for a nominal fee. Call him up. Ricky, Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Run Ricky's Claus. Chris down to Harry. All right, and boom it. Match you guys up. Here are your teams. There's the draw. Now I'm going to alphabetize so it's a little easier to see. And you guys are welcome to chat up some trade talk if you'd like to. So there's Austin up top with Denver, Tom with the Cowboys. That makes sense. Yeah, the picture with Mike Tyson. I didn't get a picture with Kareem Abdul-Jabbar either. I was very sad by that. But the line was so long for Tyson. Had to get a picture with Tyson. There's no VIP party this year, so there are a lot of the things that Panini does normally during the year, and really all the manufacturers have changed a lot this year, since there's still some pandemic issues. I think and they're just short on planning. They just didn't have time to do all the planning and or get athletes that would want to come. But I read the blog, and there is a promise that there will be some type of a VIP party event that Panini will be running this year. Later, to be announced, to be determined. So, if we hear something on that front, we will share it. And hopefully that means there's some goodies. I wonder why that was. Man. Yeah. that was very very difficult to walk from the bus into that stadium. I kind of remember now. I wasn't the only one, I think, that was in dire straits. Saints. Stop it. Saints for the Giants. Saints for Giants was offered up there. I'm going to see a doctor tomorrow. Done. 5 days on a Z-Pack. I should be back in the fairway. Sorry, guys, this thing is. I need the mask.
No one cared who I was until I put on this mask. And now, let us reveal what is inside the foil packages. Reveal them. Release them from their darkness. Give them back to you, our collectors. May the boom be with you all. And now, I break you. All right, I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear this, guys. I'm gonna wear the koozie now. I just need to get a little rubber band around it. Ah!
Could you imagine? I could do a whole break with the koozie. That's the trick, guys. You want to do Bane voice? That's pretty simple. All right, I'll put it upside down since my. No, man, I'm feeling. I'll be fully vaccinated in like 2 days. And nobody else in the house is sick, so I don't know what the heck. The kids were sick, and they gave it to me. I haven't recovered. The way I should have recovered by now, but whatever, we'll be all right. Guys, good luck to you. Thank you much, man. May the boom be with you. I got Teddy Bridgewater and Julio Jones. First hit, say bear. Cole Kmet. Peyton, I love that, man. Let's go. Mountaineers. Oh, man. There's our Bears. Cole Kmet, the Bears. Wilson and... Oh, we got a limited Drew Brees. That's a nice little hit. The Saints. Chris with the Breeze. I'm afraid the National Convention might be a little risky of an event, though. That's sounds like there's going to be a lot of people there. Any of you guys going or in the chat right now are making plans to attend? Chubb and Mac, and for the Lions, Quintez, 85 out of 199. Lions, Chris T. How about that? Chris off to a good start. Godwin and Zeke. Always got to mess around, Clayzo. Thanks, man. All good, man. Evans and Diggs, and there's a gorgeous Bumblebee Tua. Excuse me, sir. Your 4-color patch and signature are showing. Card 7 out of 49. Matty D. Boom. 2 for a boom. 2, Matt. There you go, my man. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, it's not. One of those things there, Matt. It's going to be... Gonna need to go into one of these other one touches. Let's see. Do 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 do. So if you guys have a card that won't quite fit into 100, you can use the 120s from Pro Mold, and they will fit every card, at least every one that I've tried. They're just a little bit wider on the cutout. So a nice Bumblebee Tua. Bumblebee Tua. Big Ben and Lamar Jackson. Base cards in there, too. Nice. Nice one, guys. First box delivering. Teddy Bridgewater and Julio Jones. Autograph time. Prochet, Baltimore Ravens. Wow. Chris. 2 autos in a short print for three or 4 teams already. Not bad. James, very good. Stephon Gilmore and Russell Wilson base. Man, yes. Dang right, Steven. Peyton, I'm with you. I don't know if that's feasible or not, but probably not. I'd love to see that. See that happen too. Godwin and Elliott. All right, let's scroll up on the redemption, guys. Good luck. Rookie patch autographs, Ruby Spotlight. Wow, Kansas City Chiefs. Solid hit here. It's Clyde Edwards. Hilaire. Kansas City, Mark. Boom. What league has most of the Big East schools, though, right? It's, would it be the ACC? Seems like everybody... Remember those shirts when Virginia Tech left and we called them ACC holes? those T-shirts. Spelled ACCHO. Joshua, what's up, man? Joshua P in the house. Joshua, what is going on? Give me some good news, man. Evans and Diggs. Rookie. Phenoms. Zach Moss. 71 of 99 for Buffalo. Austin W. On a mem piece. Big Ben and Chubb. Ooh, that's a purple. Denver Broncos as well for Austin. Bills and Broncos show there. 12 of 15. Bradley Chubb, purple. Foil, stain. Man, it has been. Hey, time flies, doesn't it? Congrats, Joshua. Sound like some good stuff. And here's a Seahawks autograph. /99 of Alton Robinson. This could be my first ever Alton Robinson autograph card. And we've opened a lot of limited. Seattle, Mark. Congrats on this one. A little info on the back. Minshew and Kenny G. Kamara, Miles Sanders, a redemption card. Bosa and Carr. So, guys, Joshua, he's been around for so long. Joshua, never forget. We'll never forget the looks on my face and Kevin's face when it was Joltin' Joe. The Joltin' Joe card, man. Oh, goodness. Good times, like back in, what, 2014 or something. Rookie patch autographs card 108 for Denver, Jerry Jeudy. Austin, the Broncos. Strike again. All right, guys. Final four. Allen Robinson. Elias Campbell. That's a limited Campbell. 68 out of 149. Ravens. I was like a little child when I pulled that card. 29 out of 49. Terry McLaurin. Never seen a Joe DiMaggio auto before. It was Dynasty. I think it was the 2014 Dynasty, the first year they made it. McLaurin, limitless memorabilia for the football team. Harry, congrats. Bradley Chubb and more in there. Jamal Adams, Daniel Jones. Another redemption card. Dang. Allen and Jacobs. All right, here we go. Scroll up again. Amethyst Spotlight RPA. This is Gabriel. Dang, Austin's Bills. Working it. Josh, are you talking about your picture on YouTube? Is that it just hit me. Hey, I got the same picture I've had for the last 15 years on LinkedIn, I think. Keelan, I should probably change that. Miles Sanders, 114 out of 149 to the Eagles. Mark. And game day mem, Chris Lamar Jackson. Good hit here, 3 out of 49. 3 out of 49 game day. Mahomes and Higbee. Let's leave up that Mahomes base. Final pack. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Max Crosby, Matt Stafford, and the Ravens. Rookie defensive standout, Patrick Queen. So Baltimore hits again, Chris. Congrats. Oh, man. One time for those Cincinnati. Jason, I feel you, dude. You got the Bengals. Metcalf and Dolan. Dang it. Thank you guys for the opportunity, man. As always, we have. I've hit that Mahomes on the base side. A mem piece. Lamar Jackson. Scary Terry, Zach Moss, and Cole Kmet on the jersey cards. And then we had the Queen Auto, Sanders to 149, Gabriel Davis, Amethyst RPA, Campbell to 149, Jerry Jeudy RPA, Alton Robinson to 99, Bradley Chubb to 15, Clyde Edwards Ruby, Spotlight Man, RPA, Prochet, Cephas, Breeze to 75, and the class of that one is, of course, the Bumblebee Tua. 749 red foil. Red foil stamped. Alrighty, guys. Thank you very, very much. Good luck in the prize pool. Baker and KG highlight our prize pool. Guys, we'll do that giveaway tomorrow. And thank you again. We'll stop and save it here. Coming up next, Prism Basketball. Random teams number 23. We'll roll just before our eBay slate. And hey, Clearly Authentic is right there close too. Probably fit them both in if we can get them full, but let me see where we're at, guys. We're at 9 on Clearly Authentic, so maybe not, but we'll pop it in there as our next break. All right.